Hey guys, this is Henry from OBEDIA again. Today we're going to keep working with more edit functions included in Pro Tools. So, on our previous video we talked about the tap to transients function. Now we're going to switch to the function that is located right next to it. That's the link, timeline, and edit selection. Okay, so let me be really honest with you. My recommendation is that you have this option always on, okay? And I'm going to show you why. Once again, very easy. If it's on, it's set to blue. If you click on it and you basically turn it off, it'll go gray. Once again, my recommendation is that you have it always on. So let's demonstrate it. So if you have a track, in this case I have a kick drum track here, and if that link, timeline, and edit selection is on, if you click and drag on the actual audio clip and you make a selection on the clip, that same selection, that same area is going to be selected on the timeline. So anywhere you click and drag, right, on that clip, then the timeline is also set to that. So if you press play, you know, right now it's looped, but if you press play, it'll play back exactly what you have selected as far as your clip. It'll play back on your timeline. Now, if you select something like here, as you can see, it starts playing back from where the selection starts. Same at the end. It starts playing back exactly from where that selection starts. Why? Because they're linked. So everything you select on your clip is going to be selected on your timeline. Now, what happens if this is off? Let's give it a shot. I just turn it off, so it's gray. I'm going to click and drag to select something on the clip. And as you can see, as soon as we release the mouse, there's nothing selected here. I can actually click and drag and select something different on that timeline. And if I press play, it's going to, in this case, loop, because it's the loop function is on. It'll loop whatever's selected on the timeline. And guess what? There's nothing on that area of my track. So if I press play, it's just looping on an area that has nothing. And even though it's looping here, I still have selected something on the actual clip. So, you know, this is probably not going to be very useful to you. You know, 99.9% of the cases you're going to be working with this function on, because you want to be able to, you know, if you're scanning for something and you're like, well, I want to listen to this part only, just click and drag, press play, and that's it. So that's the link, timeline, and edit selection in Pro Tools. Once again, the recommendation is that you always have this on because it's going to be very useful to you. So that was it for today. If you have any other questions, please call us from OBEDIA PC Audio Labs, and we're going to be happy to help you. We will see you guys soon. Bye-bye.
Want to learn how to produce music using this, or using that, or using all of these? Have you been watching videos, reading manuals, blogs, and trying to figure out everything that it takes to be a music producer? Do you have a bunch of music gear that you purchased and you still haven't made any music? Well, then you need OBEDIA, the world's only one-on-one digital audio training and tech support service. Check out the link below for a special new subscriber offer.